Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Kia Optima LX. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 114,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.